Okay, question 2 is an integration question, and the main concern in this question is this cos squared 4x that we need to integrate. We can't integrate cos squared or sine squared or even tan squared questions. We have to change them into something else. So we need to remind ourselves what we can change cos squared x into, and that's going to come from our double angle formulae. There's 3 different things we can write down for cos 2x, and one of them has cos squared x in it. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos squared x, take away 1. So if we had to integrate 2 cos squared x, for example, we would integrate cos 2x plus 1 instead. Okay. We don't have just 2 cos squared x, we have 6 cos squared 4x. So in order to integrate a 6 cos squared 4x, we're going to have to times everything by 3 to deal with this 6, and also replace any x that we see with 4x. So this is going to need to be a 4x here. So in other words, we're going to have 3 cos 8x, because we've got 2 lots of 4x, and then plus 3 as well. So that's going to now allow us to swap this cos squared 4x for this. So rather than integrating this, we're actually going to integrate 9 minus 3 cos 8x plus 3. And that's between pi over 16 and pi over 8. This can be simplified before we actually integrate it. We can combine the 9 and the 3 together. So we've got 9 take away 3, which is 6. So we're going to be integrating 6 minus 3 cos 8x. So when we integrate that, we get 6x. When we integrate a cos 8x, we're going to get sine 8x. So we've got 3 sine 8x, but we are also going to need to divide by the coefficient of this 8x, the coefficient of the x term here. So we need to divide by 8 as well. That's the reverse chain rule for differentiation. Remember, it only works on linear terms though. So if this had said x squared in brackets, it wouldn't have worked. It's because this is linear. So that works good. That's fine for us. Obviously that's going to be between pi over 8 and pi over 16. So now we can substitute our numbers in. Substituting pi over 8 first, we're going to get 6 pi over 8, obviously. Minus 3 sine 8 lots of pi over 8. So that's just sine pi divided by 8. Minus what we get when we sub in pi over 16. So that's going to be 6 pi over 16. I'll simplify all this in a minute. Minus 3 sine 8 pi over 16 is going to be the same as pi over 2. And that's over 8. So at this point you can grab your calculators and work out sine of pi and sine of pi over 2 if you don't know them. Or you could just draw a quick sketch in case, if you don't know them. These are quite easy ones to remember, but I'll just show you what I do if I was to forget. So sine of pi we can see is just 0. So we're going to have 6 pi over 8, which is the same as 3 pi over 4, minus nothing, because sine of pi is 0, minus 3, this is going to be 3 pi over 8, minus pi over, sine of pi over 2 is 1, so minus 3/8. So we've got 3 pi over 4 minus 3 pi over 8 minus 3/8, so plus 3/8. And that simplifies. 3 pi over 4 minus 3 pi over 8 is going to be 3 pi over 8 plus 3/8. So that's your final answer. You could factorise out that 3/8 and write it as 3/8 pi plus 1, doesn't matter. You don't have to do that. It's up to you.